Hi everyone, it's me dietitian Gauri. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to share with you all a very easy and simple recipe. All those who have craving for sugar, and it's a guilt-free recipe you can make with very simple fruits which are available at your own place. So here it is. For this recipe we need this stick, wooden stick. You can use aluminum stick also if you have. I'm using apple, pear. It's not necessary you have to use these fruits only. You can use any fruits which are available at your own place. So there are berries. It's very easy. Blueberries, again berries, pear and apple. You can use kiwi, you can use mango, whatever fruit you wish to like. And the stick is ready, and now you can just sprinkle. You can use chocolate syrup if you're making for the kids, or you can use this organic honey or any honey you wish to like. I'm making for my baby, so I'll sprinkle this chocolate syrup to it, and see, it looks so yummy, delicious. And here is our guilt-free recipe you can enjoy. If you like this recipe, you can share it, and for more updates you can like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.